Let's start with the basics. User ID agent is like your digital detective, mapping IP addresses to usernames. It helps with better security policies and gives you more visibility into network activity. If your firewall wants to know who's doing what, this tool answers that. Plus, it integrates with Active Directory, so it's not working alone. Ready to dive in? I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Before we jump into the installation, let's do a quick checklist. You'll need a Windows server. No shortcuts here. Admin privileges are a must, or you'll be staring at error messages. Active Directory integration is essential, because this tool isn't meant to work in isolation. And finally, ensure proper network access. No network, no functionality. Simple as that. All right, time to grab the software. Head to Palo Alto's portal. No shady third-party sites, please. Make sure you pick the right version. Mismatches lead to headaches. Download it securely. And, for extra caution, verify the integrity of the file. Nobody likes corrupted software messing things up. Now, let's get ready to install. Time to roll up our sleeves and install. Run the installer with admin rights, because without them, the setup won't budge. Follow the wizard. It's there to make life easier. Configure the initial settings based on your network needs. And don't forget a restart. Yes, it's the oldest IT trick in the book, but hey, it works. Access control lists are like bouncers at a club, deciding who gets in and who doesn't. First, we define rules to filter traffic, ensuring only the right data passes through. Next, setting specific permissions keeps unauthorized users out. Then, applying these lists to network devices solidifies security. Finally, reviewing a CL settings regularly keeps them up to date and effective. Think of it as refining the guest list for an exclusive event. Monitoring server logs is like checking security cameras. You need the right frequency to catch any suspicious activity. First, automate log collection so you don't have to do it manually. Nobody wants that hassle. Then, set intervals to monitor them efficiently. By analyzing logs, you catch security threats early. Finally, adjusting the frequency based on system activity ensures you're not overwhelmed with data or missing anything important. Auto-discovery makes life easier. It's like GPS for your domain controllers. First, activate the settings so they show up automatically. Next, make sure they are properly detected. It's no good if they're hiding. Then, validating the results keeps inaccuracies out. Finally, monitoring changes ensures that new controllers are added, and old ones don't cause any surprises. A bit of automation here saves time and effort. User mapping on the Palo Alto Firewall is like seating arrangements at a dinner party. You want everyone in the right place. First, ensure accounts are correctly mapped. Then, validating authentication. Make sure no imposters sneak in. Identifying mismatches helps fix errors quickly. Finally, applying corrective measures maintains security. A well-organized firewall means fewer headaches and smoother operations. Troubleshooting is detective work, finding clues, analyzing evidence, and solving the case. Start by pinpointing recurring issues, then investigate root causes like a crime scene analysis. Applying best practices prevents the same problems from happening again. Finally, testing solutions ensures they actually work before rolling them out. Sherlock Holmes would approve. Configuring a user ID agent is like tuning a sports car. You want speed, efficiency, and smooth handling. First, optimize settings for peak performance. Then, minimize resource usage so it doesn't slow down your system. Ensuring integration keeps things running seamlessly. Finally, regular updates keep everything fresh and secure. Think of it as routine maintenance for a high-performance network. We've covered a lot, like a cybersecurity marathon. From access control lists to troubleshooting, Every step improves security. The key takeaway: cyber threats don't take vacations, so ongoing monitoring is essential. Keep refining configurations and stay ahead of threats. And remember, tech evolves, so continuous improvement is the name of the game. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.